Why not?
So we're here in the train station in Xi'an.
What up, son?
What up, son? We're here at the train station in Xi'an, and me and my friend Kristen are about to embark on a journey that's unparalleled by any other journey ever traveled.
Oh yeah. Yeah, pooping splatter.
Which basically we're going to go to Beijing tonight, and I believe it's over 12 hours, similar to the way from Nanjing to here, so we'll see what it's all about. And we're gonna have some fun, and I'll try to show you the train this time so you can see what a Chinese train's like. Today we had a lot of fun. I actually made a lot of great friends at a university in Xi'an, and that was really cool to see what their life is like for a university student. So Chris, what did you think that was like?
I thought it was awkward because I didn't know any Chinese, and they asked me all the stuff about English, and I didn't know it.
Yeah, but it was cool. Like, they just the Chinese university students just like you right away if you're an American, and they think you're so cool. So it was pretty cool. So, anyways, we're gonna roll out soon here. So I'll show you the train.
Roll out.
Peace.
不用，你给他发信息，他发信息发的好的很哎。这没有大事，这些呢，是不是在上面洗澡的东西？是不是让他俩当时？没有妈的买。妈，小梅死了，那毛巾都跟着我到北京来了8趟。先不转，长见人。
Beijing.
Get the guy in his PJs. Man, that railway station is huge.